Hey, welcome to the video. My name is Dr. Faith Abraham, and just in case you have no idea who I am an award-winning coach, but also a business coach to others. I help those who have a message, a gift, a talent, ability, idea, something that they've overcome, package it, put it together, and get it out to the world so others can have impact. And as a coach, you can have income. Honey, if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then you need to go to my website, www.lifemasteryschool.org. Again, that's www.lifemasteryschool.org. Welcome, my beautiful one. Today, we are going to be talking about what I carry, my go-to bag, what I carry as a coach, what I can keep in my Neverfull MM. This is the Azur print, and I wear it year-round, honey, because I don't care what anybody says. I'm gonna wear white before Labor Day, after Labor Day, during Labor Day, and all the above, okay? But I usually work primarily out of my home office, but I do have a tendency to go to the office, go places if I'm traveling, business travel, or even vacation. I do end up doing work on vacation because I actually like what I do. I try not to do as much. I'm getting comfortable here. I try not to do as much, but I do still take my stuff. So when I do, I usually carry this bag. And for those of you who may be shopping for a Louis Vuitton and you're not sure what size, like I said, this is the MM. I like this size. I think it's perfect. And you can see it's a little heavy because of all the stuff I have in here, but it fits perfectly. And I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I can fit in here. But if I'm traveling, this is about right. This is about how it's gonna go. I am a mom as well, so if I have the kids, I may be able to stuff, or I may be willing to stuff more things in here. But just for me as a coach, I found that a lot of times, especially if I'm on the move, this is what I pack. And then I might have like a small, cute bag with me, like a clutch or something like that, if I'm going out to lunch or what have you. But this is what I carry so that way I have my go-to stuff and I can still be productive even if I'm going to lunch or if I'm on vacation, or if I have an idea that pops into my head, I can write it down and I'll show you what I use. But on the very top, and let's get into it, right? So on the very top, I have this little shawl that I got from Target. And when you go in a Target and they have that $1, $3, $5 section, that's where I got this from. And I love it. It's so nice. And, I'm always cold. And if you know anything about iron or iodine deficiency, you're always cold. So I have to have something because it's just to be cold, okay? What else can fit in here? I have my MacBook Air. This is a 13, so it's quite tiny. I'll kind of show you. It's quite tiny. So it fits perfectly. It's just, as you can see, in and out, but it works great. And I'm probably going to end up upgrading my laptop, but I probably will stick with nothing bigger than what a 15 would probably put it like to there, and probably still get an Air just so I can transport it, because I've been caught in the car so many times and a business call will come through and I'm like, okay, are you ready to get started? You want to start your program? And they're like, yes. And I'm like, I can't do this from my phone. I mean, I can, but I don't like that. So I just grab my laptop. I can open up my Vonza platform and process their card, give them access to the course, and it's a done deal. We don't like anything to stop the flow, honey. If this is going to be a coaching client, we're helping them grow their business. We're helping them remedy their relationship or whatever they got going on, then I want to have my stuff. I have hotspot on my phone, so I can easily just get to the hotspot if I'm in the car or in a hotel or wherever. Even at a restaurant, you will catch me at a restaurant with my laptop, and I can just get into it. And the thing about Vonza, which is the platform that I use for my coaching business, Vonza.com. I'll put the link in the bio for any of the stuff I'm talking about. But the thing I like about Vonza is everything is in the same place. So my courses, my physical products, my my physical products, my digital products, my forms, schedules, credit card processor are all in the platform. Like that's how it comes, you know? So it just makes it easier. So as soon as I have access to my Vonza account, I'm good. And I can just roll with the punches and get stuff done. So that's that. Then of course I have my phone. Right now I'm toting a iPhone 11 Pro Max. I mean, you can't beat. Let me clear some of this stuff out. You can't beat how big this is. If you're watching something or if you're typing something, I'm getting my stats. She cute. Ooh. But whatever. Pro, man, I love the face. I'm probably not gonna get the 12. I'm gonna wait for them to probably do 13 or 14 because I know they're gonna do it. Because this is really efficient for me. It's great. There's nothing in the new version that I just really need like that. So I'm just gonna stick to what I got. I also have my signature brown Louis Vuitton planner, and I actually filled it with cloth and paper. It's a company, they do stationery and stuff like that. I love them. They even the tabs in here, like it's just so so when I have ideas or I'm really doing my best to work on my budget and finance, just tracking my spending and stuff like that, because I get really good at it and then I'm like, oh, I got this, and then it'll be down here from there. So, and then of course this is 2021 because as of the recording of this video, it's November 2020. But honey, we are already in the new year, okay? We already have plans, projections, and everything that we're gonna do in 2021 because we conquered the world and we are ahead of our time, okay? To infinity and beyond. But this is the size medium. It's the medium size. And I love it, and I'm really getting more into it as far as like getting little decoratives and stuff. So maybe I'll do a video on what I use in my planner, how I'm able to plan out my day, the calendars that I use. Let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in, because I could definitely do a video with that. Okay, then I have some of my pouches. So one of the things when I was on my breaking generational curse of poverty mission was I learned that rich people like to have order and they like to have structure and pockets. This is just a Marc Jacobs, the solid perfume, and it smells so good. I love it. It's Lola. But they love to have compartments. If you notice in luxury cars, there should usually be more compartments in a luxury car than a non-luxury car, because it's said that rich people like to have a place for everything. For everything, there is a place for it. And so I just started doing this, and it's made a world of difference when I switch between my bags. So I'm not like, oh, where's this, where's that, where's that, and I'm just everywhere. So this is feminine stuff, and so I have, you know, pads, liners, tampons, and chocolate, because honey, if I'm on my cycle, this chocolates are gonna come in handy. It is what it is. And then this one is like, you know, just staying prepared. This is some roll-on deodorant. I have these little things. Whenever there's a Bath and Body Works sale, my eye is always open for this. This is so sidebar, but the car smells, and of course the plugins, yes, but also the car scents and the sanitizers, because I can get a whole, like I literally got a bunch of these, and this is Japanese Cherry Blossom, one of my favorite scents. for like 79 cents. And the normal price is $4. So these are in my car, my husband's car. I don't care. I don't care if he uses it or not. I use his car, and when I'm in his car, I don't want to be ashy. So I pop these in there. 79 cents. Like, this is bomb. And I was actually getting this. Okay, let me go right into it. I have this Into the Night, Bath and Body Works. So, because, you know, you just never know, honey. And this is the actual perfume. Before, I used to have the travel size lotion and travel size spray, which I still have. Like, I keep those in my glove compartment in my car, and the matching scents. But this is actually perfume. So just in case I forget, or it's been a long day, or shoot, I live in Georgia, baby, it's hot out here. So I have my actual perfume, and Into the Night is like literally pushing Japanese cherry blossom out of the way, because this thing smells so good. Ooh, so good. I always have a lipstick. It's usually an NYX gloss, but since we're always using masks, I just keep the, what is this? Jack Black lip balm. I love this thing, and it doesn't dry my lips out, so I have that in here. I also have the Mario Badescu facial spray, which actually works, and I really enjoy, because my skin is dry, especially on my face, and any change in the weather, my face is like, so when I spray, it's like, you know, so I love that. And we're about done here, child. Some Ray-Bans, of course, a snack, and I'm gonna show you what keeps all of this stuff together. I still have this, but this is my coin purse, because my kids are always messing up their comforters with pens and markers and stuff, and it's so annoying to see a beautiful down white comforter with blue splotches, pink splotches, purple splotch. So this is my little change purse. So I have my coins. Usually when you see that, that means I went to the coin laundry, or I'm going to the coin laundry. And then this is, oh, hold on, hemp, child, because in these streets, And then this is, I got this from Amazon, what I use to organize the inside of my bag. And I believe as a businesswoman, it's just so good to be organized and prepared. Of course, I have my pens here. I also, some more lotion, Balmain lotion, body lotion. But it's always good to, and see, this is the other thing. Let me just tell you, after I say this, but this, and it has another little zipper compartment inside. I'll put the link on where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, but I'll show you the exact one and the size in the comments, or in the just box below. But part of the reason why I got this, aside from the fact of just being organized and structured, is the bag does this. And I felt like I didn't want it to just lose itself. Like after a while, it's gonna start slouching and slumping and stuff like that, and that's just not cute. So I sit here and have this. You slide it right on in. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see it. And have the little lock on the top. Boom. Honey, you're good. And it stays. So you don't have to keep stuffing it every time you use it or go in and out from your bags and stuff, because I really try my best to do that, like keep it stuffed. So it's not just slouching and losing its shape and looking funny and stuff. And it works. I mean, I really enjoy this bag. If you get it, you know, you'll enjoy it as well. You see how the whole look goes? So cute. And the little tassels. And it's just a really efficient bag, especially as a female entrepreneur, CEO, you know, you're moving around, mom. You can have that zipper one because it's so, it passes the eye easily. You can stick stuff in there, including snacks and candy for yourself or for the kids. Have you some business cards. I have all kinds of stuff going on in here and I'm not aware of it, but it's a really efficient bag. I just like the white. I'll probably end up getting an epi because I love epi leather. Like, I love epi leather. I've taken it out. I mean, I've had it and it started raining, and so you can kind of see like the change in the leather or what have you, but it's a bag. Like, you have oils in your hand, oils from the lotion, the sanitizer, all the stuff. You know, it's gonna get wet, it's gonna have little splotches because, you know, it's leather or whatever, but it's what makes the bag, and you know, it's really nice. So if you want to get it, I definitely suggest getting it. I think the small one is like, it's just, it's not my forte, honey. I don't like it. But the MM is just a good size, and then the big one, you know, I just feel like it's too big in the sense of it's big, it's gonna carry more, but it's still gonna be heavy on the arm, and then you have that groove and that whole feel, which I don't like. So this is like right in the middle, perfect. But then again, I'm also the girl that when I go out to eat or when I get something, or when I go to Starbucks, I get a grande. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just right. So I feel like the MM size is just right. So if you have one, you know, let me know what size you have and what you feel like is just right for you. But if you're looking at it, thinking about it, and you have it and you just don't know how to work it, then you probably just need this organizer, and it'll do the trick for you, and you will be able to put so much stuff in here. You wouldn't even believe it. And if you'll notice, I didn't even use all the compartments. So that's that. But anyway, there you go. And this is definitely a great bag as a woman on the go. So if you have a different bag that you love and like, let me know in the comments, because I'm always up for some bag shopping. My birthday's coming up too, so hubby, let's go. So yeah, anyway, love ya. I'll talk to you in the comments. See you next time.